Okay, so every Yule log needs a little bit of snow. We're going to do snow, and then we also have a little sign that we're going to make for it. Say Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays. Okay, so for snow, this is another thing. You put the mushrooms on, and then you put the snow on, because this is just powdered sugar. And again, if you put the powdered sugar on and then refrigerate your cake, your powdered sugar is going to dissolve. Okay, so this is just regular powdered sugar, though, and I just want to just lightly dust it, very lightly, like that. That's all it needs. Okay, now what I'm going to do is go ahead and melt down some chocolate coating onto a big sheet tray. And I'm going to bring that out and show you how to make a sign for this. Okay. Okay, so this is just basically, it's whenever you reheat chocolate a lot, it ends up kind of discoloring, or if you heat it. This is actually not real chocolate, it's coating chocolate. Let me say that first of all. But it kind of gets this bloom on it if you either heat it too quickly or if you just reheat it a lot. So what I do when I have chocolate that I've reheated a lot of times, I'll just put a parchment sheet down on a cookie tray just like this and melt the chocolate one more time and place it on there, and then just let it dry, and I use it for wood signs, okay, because I actually like the way it looks like this for wood signs. So what you want to do is take a knife or a spatula, anything you have around, and you just want to go ahead and kind of just score the chocolate. And then that one I think broke apart, but sometimes you have to just kind of lift this up and kind of snap it. So let's just do this one more time, like right here. So if you score it and then lift it up, oh, I broke in the wrong place, but usually it would break like that. Okay, so then you just take this piece, and I thought we'd go ahead and place a sign right in here. So this one's actually a little big. Cut a little bit more of that off. That should fit in there. And then I just like to take a knife or spatula around the edges and just kind of make it a little bit rougher looking, a little jagged. Okay, like it's a little piece of wood that's. So you score it like 3 main lines and then go in between those with smaller lines. Dust off that excess chocolate. Yep, that'll go in there nicely. Get this out of the way. Use either buttercream or royal icing. This is a tip number 2 with the bread. And I'll just write Merry Christmas. Okay, Merry Christmas. And then just pop that right in there. And voila! Beautiful Yule log to give away for your family and friends. I can't tell you how many times I've taken this to a party. It's been the biggest hit. Out of all the Christmas cakes that you could do, the Yule log is always the number one.